Entering from the back deck, we have immediately a dinette for 2 people that makes into a small single bed. Then into the kitchen with cooker, sink and the fridge on the other side. Through to the front of the cabin, we've got 2 large sofas which become single beds, plenty of storage underneath. They will also make up into 1 large double bed, going forward into the cratch. Turning round, back through the cabin, into the kitchen, and dinette. Behind the dinette there is a fairly large storage cupboard with the forced air gas heater underneath. So you've got nice warm cabin heating. On the opposite side is the toilet. This is a cassette toilet with an integral flush tank as well as the holding tank, and we have a complete wet room shower with wash basin. Radiator run from engine waste heat, so this room is always warm. As you see, the shower tray at the bottom there. Then past the bathroom, one goes out onto the stern deck.